Okay guys, so just a quick video on the technique to use when releasing the handbrake, or some people call it the parking brake, and also how to apply the handbrake or parking brake. So for the handbrake, we've got the button on the end here on this handbrake, and no matter how hard you press that button in, it won't move unless you first of all raise the handbrake while you're pushing the button in. So let me just show you that again. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. I'm lifting the handbrake and pushing the button in at the same time. Button stays in as I lower the handbrake down. Now when we apply the handbrake, there are two ways it can be done. We can do it without the button, so you'll hear some clicking, or we can do it with the button pressed in and it comes on silently. So the way that you should do that, of those two choices, with the button or without the button, is depends on the car that you're driving. So for example, the Vauxhall Corsa handbook tells us that we should not put the button in when we're pulling the handbrake on, so we should pull the handbrake on without the button. However, I believe that the Volkswagen handbooks say the opposite. The Volkswagen handbooks say that you should put the button in when you pull the handbrake on. So it's a good idea to know what's in your vehicle handbook. From a point of view of the driving test, it really doesn't matter which of the two methods you use. So if we look on the dashboard here, guys, in the bottom part in the centre you'll see the P symbol, which indicates that the handbrake is on. That light should always be on when you start your engine, and as I release the handbrake you'll see that that P symbol goes out, and then when I pull the handbrake or parking brake on, that's why it's the letter P, the symbol comes back on. So what we looked at there is how to apply the handbrake or parking brake when you've got a traditional pull-up handbrake like we have on this Vauxhall Corsa. You may find now with many modern cars they're coming with an electronic handbrake, and that might be just a button at the side, so it's much easier to operate in all fairness because you don't need any strength. So if you've got a car with an electronic handbrake, your instructor will explain to you the best way to use it. So thanks for watching. Please give us a like and share if you enjoyed the videos, and subscribe for more. If you've any questions, please let us know in the comments, and we'll see you on the next video.